tell you what to do.
Hi guys, it's me Brix and welcome back. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is, as you can tell sa may title ng ating video at sa thumbnail, is magre-react tayo sa transformation ni Mess Everything. So ayun guys, hi everything. So ganon. So ayun guys, magre-react nga tayo sa transformation ni Mess Everything. And as you all know, nawala siya or hindi siya active this past few months, I guess 2 months or 1 month. Hindi siya active sa social media. It is because nagpahinga siya. And kung fan kayo ni Miss Everything or nakasubaybay kayo sa kanya, is she was broken hearted. So I felt sorry for her. I felt bad for her kasi hindi niya deserve na maging broken, kasi hindi mo makikita sa kanyang personality na nasasaktan siya, kasi she is trying to give positive vibes sa kanyang mga social media, particularly sa TikTok and sa kanyang videos. But before anything else, please don't forget to click the subscribe button at yung katabi niyang notification bell para ma-update ka whenever I upload a video. So ayan guys, without further ado, let's get started. So ayan guys, dito ko ilalagay yung mga videos or screenshot based sa kanyang transformation, and we will mention yung mga transformation niya sa kanyang ginawa, surgery ba yun or ewan, basta ayun. And guys, by the way guys, disclaimer lang, hindi ako professional na surgeon or ano, basta we will react as a fan for her. And so before tayo mag-react sa kanyang transformation sa mga ganun, so basahin muna natin yung kanyang last post sa Twitter. So ito siya guys. So this post, ayun, meron akong 4 na nabasa and screenshot. So the first one is no March 13, 2021, and sabi niya, it's okay not to be okay. So dito siya guys. So it's okay not to be okay. So sa that time, I guess matagal na siya broken hearted nitong mga around February, after ata ng Valentine's Day. And marami na rin nakaka-notice na merong problemang dinadaanan si Mess Everything that time. And ayun, kung nakita nyo sa mga TikTok videos is sobrang lungkot niya, sobrang broken hearted talaga siya. And sa TikTok din nagpaano siya na anong tawag doon, nagpabasa ng kanyang kapalaran or cards ba. And ayun, kung nakita nyo yon, so ayun siya guys. And sobrang she was being betrayed, or hindi kaya she kanang ano ba ang tawag nito na broken siya. It is because hindi ko alam kung anong totoong dahilan, pero hindi niya deserve ang ma-broken hearted. Pero ganun pa man, everything happens for a reason. And yung pangalawa niyang tweet is ito nung March 14, you gotta stop watering dead plants. So ganun, hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin niya dito, pero ayan. And the next one is nung March 15, 2021, if it is important to you, you will find a way. If not, you'll find an excuses. So ganon, parang may pinagdadaanan talaga siya. And yung last post niya is nung March 16, 2021, which is pahinga muna ako, pahinga lang pero tuloy pa rin ang laban. So that was her last post, or last post sa kanyang social media sa Twitter, and ewan ko sa TikTok or sa Facebook, baka yun din yung last post din niya nung March 16. So after nung March 16, ang kanyang latest update or post is after 2 months na siguro. It is because meron siyang transformation na ginawa. Nagpa-surgery siya through Toledo Medical Companies Incorporation. So ayan guys, before ko ipapakita itong mga pictures or mga transformation niya, is pala guys, disclaimer, I did not own this video and I did not own the picture. Credits pala sa Toledo Medical Corporation and kay Miss Everything. So ayan guys, so nag-post siya, tapos ito yung post, nag-post siya sa kanyang Twitter. So ayan, ito noong May, nag-post siya sa kanyang Twitter noong May 9, 2021. So ayan, ito yung latest picture niya. This is coming from ano tawag nito? Toledo Medical Incorporation. So meron nakalagay, nag-photoshoot siya and sobrang ganda niya dito kasi nakadress siya na white, parang high-waist na ano ba yan? Palda, ano bang tawag dyan? Skirt? Ewan ko, hindi ako ganun. So merong caption na everything is beautiful. Tapos dito yung Toledo Medical na logo. Tapos sa ibabaw is Miss Everything Toledo Angel. So she's now an angel and totoo naman. So sobrang ganda ng kanyang transformation. Tapos ito guys, ito. Pakita ko din sa inyo yung before and after. So ayan. Meron siyang ano dito guys, 'di ba yung bilog before. Tapos yung after is yung ito na. 'Di ba yung bilog is before niya, yung naka-cap siya ng surgery, tapos yung after 'yan. 'Di ba talagang nag-enhance yung kanyang face. As you can see, talagang merong improvement. So ganun, I'm happy for her if that makes her happy or para maka-move on sa ganung past niya is dayon, support lang. Ayan, pinagpawisan ako, sorry. So ayan, ano kasi guys, parang uulan. So ayan, going back, so ayan yung kanyang kalawang picture. Tapos ito pangatlong picture. This post is coming from Toledo Medical Incorporation. So credit sa kanya. Tapos nag-caption sila na yung mga doctors or nung page ng Toledo Medical Companies na glow up for Miss Everything. Dr. Toledo polished yet perceived the natural look as Miss Everything portrays comedy roles in her blog. So ito yung mga list of procedures. So makikita nyo yan dito. So facial harmony by volume correction. Hindi ko alam kung paano, ano yan, pero ayan. So Barbie forehead, pero alam ko Barbie forehead is parang lalapad yung noo mo. Tapos second is almond eyes, I guess nagiging brown or ewan ko, or in-enhance yung kanyang mata. So ganon. Tapos yung isa is chin augmentation. Tapos next is cheek augmentation. Kanina chin, tapos cheek. Tapos perfect jaw angle, lip reduction, and lastly is rhinoplasty with sailboat alarplasty. So ayun ang kanyang surgery guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 na surgery ang kanyang ginawa. So ayan guys, and lastly is magre-react tayo sa video yung pinost ni Miss Everything sa Twitter. So ito siya guys, and i-mute ko na lang ha kasi baka ma-copyright tayo. So ganyan. So ayan guys, ang video na to kasi merong music na mood. So yung alam niyo sa TikTok, I was in the mood, paano na ganon guys. So i-mute ko na lang. So ito yun. Tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing. So ayun guys, kita nyo. So panoorin ulit natin guys last. Why you always in the play cool? Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. So ayun guys, 'di ba? Ito nag-post si Miss Everything tapos merong lyrics ng mood. So ayan, minute ko na 'yon para hindi tayo ma-copyright guys. So ganun pa man. Kahit hindi pa tayo monetize, baka ma-copyright tayo. So ayun lang. So sa video na yun is pinost niya yung bago siya mag-surgery, ongoing surgery hanggang sa nakatulog na siya. And ayun, sobrang happy niya. Nakita ko naman siya na nahahappy siya. So, ayun lang guys ang ating reaction video for Miss Everything. So, ayun guys, thank you so much sa panonood, and comment down below kung ano yung masasabi nyo sa kanyang transformation, kasi ako sobrang happy ako for her, and happy ako in a sense na na-achieve niya yung isa sa mga goals niya to enhance herself, and also para makamove on na rin and para mag-move forward sa mga pangyayari sa buhay. So, ayun lang guys. So, ayun guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you on my next video. And ayun guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button at yung katabi niyang notification bell para ma-update ka whenever I upload a video. So, ayun lang guys, thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video. This is Brix Tiguman saying annyeong. Bye!